Health is often said to be the most valuable asset a person can possess. In a world that is constantly evolving, the importance of maintaining good health cannot be overstated. Our physical, mental, and emotional well-being significantly influences the quality of our lives and the fulfillment of our potential. This article delves into the multifaceted reasons why being healthy is crucial, exploring its impact on longevity, quality of life, productivity, and overall happiness. 1. Longevity and disease prevention. One of the most compelling reasons to prioritize health is the direct correlation between lifestyle choices and longevity. Numerous studies have shown that individuals who maintain a healthy diet, exercise regularly, and avoid harmful habits like smoking and excessive alcohol consumption tend to live longer, healthier lives. The role of nutrition. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins provides the essential nutrients that the body needs to function optimally. Proper nutrition plays a key role in preventing chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. By making healthier food choices, individuals can significantly reduce their risk of developing these life-threatening conditions. The importance of physical activity. Regular physical activity is another critical component of a healthy lifestyle. Engaging in exercise strengthens the heart, improves circulation, and helps maintain a healthy weight. According to the World Health Organization (WHO), adults should aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate-intensity aerobic activity each week. This not only helps in disease prevention but also enhances overall physical fitness and resilience. 2. Mental health and emotional well-being. Good health extends beyond the physical realm. It encompasses mental and emotional well-being as well. Mental health is integral to our overall quality of life, influencing how we think, feel, and act. Managing stress. A healthy lifestyle can significantly reduce stress levels. Regular exercise is known to release endorphins, the body's natural mood lifters. Physical activity also serves as a distraction, allowing individuals to take a break from daily stressors. Additionally, practices such as yoga and meditation, which promote physical and mental well-being, can help manage anxiety and depression. Cognitive function. Maintaining good health also supports cognitive function. Research suggests that a healthy diet, regular physical activity, and adequate sleep can improve memory, focus, and overall brain health. As we age, these factors become even more crucial in preventing cognitive decline in conditions such as Alzheimer's disease. 3. Quality of life. Being healthy directly impacts the quality of life. When we feel good physically and mentally, we are more likely to engage in activities that bring us joy and fulfillment. Increased energy levels. A healthy lifestyle contributes to higher energy levels, enabling individuals to be more active and engaged in their lives. When we eat well and exercise regularly, our bodies function more efficiently, and we experience improved stamina and vitality. Enhanced relationships. Good health can also improve our relationships with others. When we feel good about ourselves, we are more likely to engage positively with family and friends. Additionally, participating in healthy activities together, such as hiking or cooking nutritious meals, can strengthen bonds and create shared experiences. 4. Economic benefits. Maintaining good health can have significant economic benefits, both at the individual and societal levels. Healthy individuals tend to experience fewer medical expenses and can contribute more to their communities. Reduced healthcare costs. Chronic diseases often come with significant medical costs, including hospitalization, medication, and ongoing treatment. By adopting a healthy lifestyle, individuals can reduce their risk of such conditions, leading to lower healthcare costs over time. This not only benefits the individual but also reduces the financial burden on healthcare systems. Increased productivity. Healthy individuals are generally more productive in their personal and professional lives. Regular physical activity and proper nutrition lead to increased focus, better decision-making, and enhanced problem-solving skills. In the workplace, this translates to higher performance, fewer sick days, and lower turnover rates, ultimately benefiting employers and the economy as a whole. 5. Empowerment and self-esteem. Prioritizing health can lead to a sense of empowerment and improved self-esteem. When individuals take charge of their health through positive choices, they often feel a greater sense of control over their lives. Building healthy habits. Establishing and maintaining healthy habits can lead to a sense of accomplishment. Whether it's preparing nutritious meals, committing to a regular exercise routine, or practicing mindfulness, each positive step reinforces the idea that individuals have the power to shape their well-being. Positive body image. Engaging in healthy behaviors can also improve body image and self-esteem. As individuals become more active and mindful of their nutrition, they often feel better about their physical appearance. This newfound confidence can have a ripple effect in other areas of life, fostering resilience and a positive outlook. 6. Creating a sustainable future. The choices we make regarding our health can have long-lasting effects not only on ourselves but also on future generations. By prioritizing health, individuals contribute to a culture of wellness that can inspire others to do the same. Role modeling. Healthy individuals serve as role models for their families, friends, and communities. By demonstrating the benefits of a healthy lifestyle, they can inspire those around them to make positive changes. This can create a ripple effect, helping to foster a healthier society overall. Environmental considerations. Moreover, many aspects of a healthy lifestyle align with sustainable practices. For example, choosing a plant-based diet can reduce one's carbon footprint and promote environmental sustainability. By prioritizing health, individuals can contribute to a healthier planet for future generations. 7. The interconnectedness of health. The various dimensions of health, physical, mental, emotional, and social, are deeply interconnected. Focusing on one aspect often positively impacts others. Holistic health. A holistic approach to health recognizes that physical, mental, and emotional well-being are interdependent. For instance, regular exercise not only improves physical fitness but also enhances mood and reduces stress. Conversely, managing mental health through mindfulness can lead to better physical health outcomes. Community and social connections. Social connections play a crucial role in health as well. Engaging with a supportive community can improve mental health and encourage healthy habits. Whether through group exercise classes, community gardening, or support groups, fostering connections with others can enhance the overall health experience. Conclusion. The imperative of health. In conclusion, being healthy is paramount for a fulfilling life. The benefits of maintaining good health extend across various dimensions, including longevity, quality of life, economic advantages, and emotional well-being. By prioritizing health, individuals can enjoy a more vibrant, productive, and happy life while positively impacting their families and communities. Embracing a healthy lifestyle is a journey that involves making informed choices about nutrition, physical activity, and mental well-being. As we navigate the complexities of modern life, it is vital to remember that investing in our health today will yield invaluable returns for years to come. So, let us commit to making our health a priority and reaping the rewards of a healthier, happier existence.